Alright, and in this video we're gonna be taking a look at Unity's setup. So Unity is a completely customizable editor. I can move certain tabs from like here. I can move it into the left side, dock it there, but I usually don't like to do that, so I just like to keep it at the default. Or you can use one of their built-in layouts, so like I can go for split. Usually you will never have the need to be looking at 4 different views, but if you like it, then you can keep it. There's the 2x3. This is a decent thing. This is a decent view, but I just usually like to go for the default, which is pretty standard. Alright, so let's learn about the tabs. So let's start with the scene view. Now the scene view just shows you all of the objects that exist in your world or level, and gives you the ability to edit them. So what I'll do is I'm gonna click on this plus icon here, 3D object cube, and if I double click onto the cube, it should just show me the cube in the hierarchy. In the scene view. And the game view is just showing you what your camera sees. So this main camera, whatever your main camera sees is what the game view will render. And that's it for the scene and game view. The project window is just where you can see a bunch of your assets and all of your folders, etc. And your console just shows you all of your errors or debugging. The hierarchy shows you all of the objects that exist in your scene world in a hierarchical order. And you can basically use this to see and move them around, etc. Now the inspector window just shows you a more detailed description, you could say, of the object that you have selected in the hierarchy. For example, if I were to click this cube, it shows me that this cube has a bunch of components attached onto it. So there's this box slider, mesh renderer, the cube, mesh filter, and the transform. We won't be going over what those are. Alright, and that is usually it for the scene, game, hierarchy, project, console, and inspector tabs. The most important tabs in your Unity developing experience. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.